Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset HP LaserJet M140w and restore the factory defaults. You need to make sure that the printer is powered on and the display is enabled. If the display is sleeping, just press any button once to wake up the display. And then what you need is press and hold Wi-Fi and cancel button together until you see blinking warning indicator over here, together with power indicator like this. Then release the buttons and your printer will restart and reset to the factory defaults. After this, just wait until the warning indicator to stop blinking and Wi-Fi indicator is flashing blue, and then you can reconnect this printer from scratch to a Wi-Fi network with new settings. Exactly like this. This picture on the control panel means the printer is ready for a new setup, and that's pretty it. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.